JPL party box.
No, but that smells so happy.
JPL party box.
Don't say bad words, ha?
Bad words! Dito official ba yan?
Napansara.
G22 AJ pala.
Ay! Mali! Hindi pala dito.
Next time, hindi siya lalapit sa'yo.
Nabi. Parang ang lungkot na nila.
Birds of a feather, we should hey, let's sing it.
Si tita, ano ka ba? Sino yan?
Sino? Sino?
Yung muso ko.
Tita baby.
Hindi, yung
Kung
gawa
na tayo, may ganun na
on
tita baby.
my own, hindi kita iiwan.
Tita gay?
Si Ate Gay.
Ate gay pala.
Oh.
We're gonna sing a song for you.
Ano yan?
Nag-decision na ako.
I want you to stay
Till I'm in your grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket that you carry. If you're going to, cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. Don't think that I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light of your eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me.
They live here.
You wouldn't believe if I told you. What happened?
Thank you, Lord.
Guys, you got exciting news on Telegram.
As of the moment. Kaya na-excite kami.
Say you don't see it.
Nakuha niyo yun, ah.
Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying. 300 viewers.
I don't think I could love you more. Ay, ba't iba na yun?
No, but baby, thank you for the gifts.
I love you till the joy that I die.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but it's forever, it's even better. I know you in another life. Hindi ako umabot dito.
Hindi ko alam yun. Actually, hindi ko alam kung kanta to eh.
Sabi ko, hindi ako umabot dito sa part na to.
So surprised. I love you till the day that I die. If you enjoyed that, please follow Chicha.
And stream our songs. Stream one
The
sided
product reveal. The product reveal. Oh, AJ.
Ako?
Magandang lips.
Lip product reveal, mantika ng lechon.
I love it.
Okay, let's sing one each if you like. What
Ano
song?
ba yan?
What song, AJ, you wanna sing? Or your support?
Ano? If I were a boy.
Sure ma.
Lower.
Okay.
Lower.
If I were a boy, lower.
Kasi paus ako,
this
hindi
is
pa
her
rin
song.
mabalik.
So, let's hype AJ up. Let's send gifts. Woo! If I were a boy, low.
Kasi hindi pa mabalik yung boses ko. This is the piano. You want piano or no? Just
Yung kalmado lang. Piano. Acoustic. Para pwede tayo mag-felicito. Ayoko mag-cheers today.
Para pwede soft.
Pwede soup lang.
let's give it up for Prod AJ.
Ano na?
Go.
Yeah.
Kung lalaki si AJ.
Just go, AJ.
If I were a boy, even just for a day, kahit isang araw lang, I roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted, then go. Sleep ka na. Drink beer with the girls and chase after girls. Ginawa ko yun.
So if she was a guy, she would. She'd drink her the girls and
In with who I want, ay babae get confronted for me, cause they'd stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Maintindihan niyo daw how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I'd listen to her, cause I know how it hurt when you lose the one you wanted, cause it's taking you for granted. And I never Mataas kasi AJ. Mataas kasi, be. Wala pa. Paus ako. Kasi yung pinili ko.
AJ.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ayan. Full song will be at 100k likes. Oh! Okay, what's your song?
Ang gusto niya kantahin ay Pop off, ate! I'm beautiful. Boom! Turing. Hindi mo akalain na itong si Buddy ay kaya kang pasabugi. Sumusugod. Lumalaban. Katabaan.
Okay, are you ready for Alpheus? Make sure to tap on the screen. I want to see madaming hearts dito.
Guys, dati yung best cover. Hindi pa to nagagawa ni Alfea ever since. As in,
Yeah.
parang, she's been keeping this.
Yes. Actually, ito yung first song na pinili niya for the showcase.
Yes.
Pero hindi na pina-approve kasi ang galing.
Tsaka hindi kaya ng ibang
Yeah,
ng ibang
like,
members
yeah. So, ito na. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
May ads.
May ads.
Hindi kami naka-premium.
Press 1 kung handa po kayo.
Pahingi po pang bayad pang premium.
Yes po.
Hindi yan guys.
Hindi yan.
Hindi yan yun.
I love you, G lang daw.
Ay! Oy! Na-distract na naman kayo sa poging koreano sa likod.
Ano nga yan?
Yes!
Dami to kusita. Ay! Dami to kusita. Ay! Dami to kusita. Ay! Dami to kusita. Dami to kusita. Ay! Dami to kusita. Ay! Go! Dami to kusita. One side lang.
Ayun na. Ngayon ka lang napansin. Ayan, yan. Go.
Yes!
Okay.
Guys, ang next
Umabot tayo sa 100k.
Kailangan
Buo na yan.
buong...
Oo. Guys, ang next performance natin, pinaghahandaan talaga to ni Jazz. As in,
Oo, siya muna.
Hindi, si Jasmine pinagkakasaan.
pinaghahandaan niya ito. Tapos pinapractice siya, nagpapaturo talaga siya sa amin ito. Parang,
Alam ko na.
gusto niya talaga ma-master.
Hindi pa master dun eh.
Okay lang.
Sige.
Para sa 100k likes
Oo.
yung mastered.
Sample lang
Oo,
ah.
sample lang to.
Sample.
Based sa, sa...
And then you have to do the intro, di ba? May
may intro yun. Oh, sige. Una, tanungin natin. Kung taga-saan siya. Taga-saan ka, Jazz?
Hindi pa.
Ay, wala pa ba?
Ano?
Hindi,
Yan. Umabot
Eme!
tayo sa 50k likes.
50k. O, sige. 45 muna. 45.
Tara na, let's...
45!
45.
At the Jazz accent hits so different. Hits you where?
Okay.
Ikaw Nanununtok pala yung accent mo.
I also have the
Parang
same
si Sophie
accent.
nanonontok.
Yung asin. Yung asin.
Okay.
Nakapati si
Oh,
Ate.
50k cat.
Ayan. Okay. Jazz!
I'm nervous.
Wala pa. Jazz! Taga saan ka?
QC!
Ayun na.
Taga sa gagan!
Taga.
Sydney!
Oh, pinapractice ka.
Kaya na!
Oh, mamaya na yung full. Mamaya na yung full.
Haba
Kayo
ng
eh.
intro. Kahiya.
Diba? Pinakas niya talaga yung
Oo. Uy, pero
O, diba?
no joke, pre-practice
Nalaglag na naman siya.
Nagtatanong talaga siya, paano po magbudot?
Kasi they were doing
How do you do budots?
and I just stand doing random.
Alam mo,
Akala ko budots is random.
Pumunta ka sa Cavite, mga tao doon magaling magbuduts. Sa Batangas.
I saw the budots. So, so I thought he originated it.
Katahin namin yung best part pag napunta na 100k likes. Ay!
AG Mango Water.
Pag nag 100k likes.
Come here, Bobby. Come here, me, baby. Make me sweat.
May magagalit pa pag inuwi si Jazz. Oo, kami.
Ano? Kayo uwi, di wala na kaming second member.
Eh, duo na lang kami dito, duo. Ang galing nyo din
Tatlo
eh.
na nga lang kami.
Ang galing nyo eh. Ang galing nyo talaga eh. Telling me
If, are you gonna dance?
Go, Gio!
Water.
Gio Fort member daw. Gio Fort member.
Gio water. Hey! Hey! Eh, apakagaling naman talaga. Oy, nai-inlove na naman kayo sa may hawak ng aso. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ano, start the bidding.
Kung hindi na pwede sa Jazz, yung nasa likod na lang yan. Ayan na, Gio! Gio! Yeah, twerk! Make me sweat, make me hotter. Ayan. Twerk! Oh my God. Sweat. Yung version ng sweat.
Make me sweat, make me hotter. Guys, please respect everyone. Ibang tao.
Yung water po, hindi, yung water dito hindi mineral, galing ano? Galing sapa. Anong ayaw nyo ng ugali sa isa't isa? Ikaw, ugali mo.
Galit si
Sinasakop na naman ni Anger sa AJ.
Hindi si Anger to, te. Sinistalgia to.
Sinasakop.
Alam mo, I shared on Facebook. There should be another. There should be two more.
Hindi ako si
Inside out
Anger.
characters. One na tatae. Dalawa.
Si...
Pangalawa, gigil.
Madami kasi ako
Ito
nakikita
na, si Gigil. Ako si Gigil.
Ako si Tatae.
Si Buiset ako, si
Pero
Buiset.
sobrang cute ng tatae. Diba nasend ko sa inyo?
Bagay kay Jasmine yung si Black siya.
Oo.
What?
Uy. Uy.
Well,
Ang sinasabi mo yun.
Uy, 100k na daw!
Taray. Ganito, guys.
100k.
Oo,
galing.
ano,
Oy.
best part. Ay, may sugat ako.
Water muna na AJ.
Ba't ganyan, te? Ayan. Ano? What's the word? Anong gagawin? Best part.
Best part. What hair color would you like to try? Transparent. Wala na sinagot na tama.
Orange. Neon orange.
Taray. Neon green.
Gusto ko kita ako agad eh.
Gusto ko,
Maika.
napaka-yellow. Parang ihi. Ni AJ. Ano to?
Model.
Aso. Ba't ka na lang? Sabi! Huwag kang tumae.
Ba't pinagpagalitan ang inaanak ko?
Inaanak.
Let's all normalize going out, guys. Guys, this is best part.
You don't know, babe.
Ano hindi alam?
When you hold me,
Bakit ka niya?
you kiss me slowly. It's the sweetest
Oh my
thing.
gosh, naghahalikan kayo.
And it don't change.
Pero nagbago siya.
If I had it my way,
Kasi female alpha.
you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning.
Ayoko ng kape.
You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring.
Ayoko sa mainit.
Won't you give yourself to me?
Ay, give yourself to me.
Give it all.
Wait, I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the
Just normalize
best part.
things.
Oh, you're the best part. Best part. It's the sunrise.
And those brown eyes, yeah. You're the one that I desire.
You're the one that I desire.
Lalaki to.
When I wake up
When I wake up
and then we make love,
and then we make love.
it makes me feel so nice.
So nice.
You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're my talent that I take when my head
Di
hurts.
ba, Jessie?
You're the
American.
sunshine.
Lagay mo pa siya eh.
Sa amin, it's Panadol.
Oh.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then
And you're the best part.
you're the best
Pagkatingin ka sa nila. Natatay ka. Pila.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Tama na. Mag-usap tayo.
Pagod na ako.
Mag-usap tayo. Mag-usap-usap tayo, guys. May na-mute na pala kami. Thank you so much.
Yes, guys, we just want positive vibes.
Yeah. Yes. So if you're gonna spread negativity, mute. Get out of here. Shoot.
Yeah.
We be shading people. I be shading people. I chop people off. So. Nilagay ko ba? May magalit ba daw Alfea pag inuwi kita? Kami! Ano? Ano magiging dalawa
Ano,
na
dalawa
sila?
na lang kami?
Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo, wala kayong iuuwi.
Anyway mo si AJ na lang.
Okay, so...
Ano, dalawa na lang tayo? Hindi, wala kayo iuuwi.
Charis! Hindi, because it would be fun. We go on an excursion, like looking for her.
Huwag ka, magmamiya ako.
We can like start our Netflix documentary. Like, where's AJ?
Ano huli niyong
I
pinanood?
feel like it should be more scary. Like if someone she can fight them, so it would be more interesting for the documentary. Diba? Hello.
We're complete, guys. We're complete.
We are very complete.
Sino mas AJ?
Oh. Oh,
Ay, huwag kang ganon. Ano ba yan?
May pabraso.
Kita yung box ko. Box?
Box? I wish you were there. Best of my
Tulog na
life.
siya.
Makakatulog na.
Lalabay yung kanta eh.
What if I just bite your ear right now?
Hindi mo nga makita kung nasa yung ears ko eh.
Dito. Ah.
Tinitingnan lang namin yung comments guys ha.
Tinitingan. Kita.
Titignan namin yung comments at pipili kami kung ano yung worth it sagutin
Channel
natin.
Faye. Okay. Charot.
Ay nga. Sige, pag nagbudots ako, tapos ang laban.
Hindi ba enough yung budots ko? Hindi ba...
They want
They want more
Hindi
of
ba
the...
enough ako? Hindi ba masaya kayo sa budots ko? Nahihirapan ako. Pinahihirapan.
Yes.
Go sis. Go off. Ay. See you sa Watsons. See you din sa Acer Day.
See you sa
August 4.
Watsons. You're so Charas.
SM MOA.
Hindi, I meant the store. I was making joke.
TMI for today, nag-mute kami na nagko-comment ng negative things sa comment section.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's about us or
Oh,
someone else, guys. Especially ladies, let's lift each other up.
Yeah. And lalo na kung nasa same industry.
Yes. At kung...
Ay, taray.
yeah, take my hosuda. Ay, tapos na.
Lalo na kung nakikita naman namin walang mali sa mga ginagawa. Mag-shut up na lang.
Close na lang ang mouth. Tatahiin ko yan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Cebu Gig! Guys, we will come back to
Would you
Cebu
leave it like a little
very,
space?
very soon. Mag-aabang po kayo ng ano, ng
Can you do this one, like
announcements.
the pulling?
Sa isang side lang.
I can't do
Kabilang
that.
hindi ko
Yeah,
kaya.
I can kayak wala. It looks ugly other.
Hindi, yung taas. Dapat. Yung taas.
Yung sa ilo.
Dito.
Sabi ko. Maraming salamat guys sa pagnanood.
Maraming salamat.
This is the cornerstone, ano,
Headquarters.
This
headquarters.
has been... Baka naman ng ano na to.
Ang random.
Taray! I'll fit check.
Oh. Back. Yes. On the red corner. On the red corner. Weighing... Anong weight mo? Weighing 45 kilograms.
45.
48. Anong height ni Jazz?
Why they changed the packaging?
No habla español.
Hola.
Hola, soy Dora.
Tara, we have to send her video pa.
Eh?
Tara na.
Okay. 1 minute, 7 o'clock.
Oh,
Para sarado.
Sayang naman ang ating view.
Eme! Hi!
Joke lang.
Oh, si Sophie? Kung yung lalagay sa, ano, yung lalagay sa adobo.
Yung huwag mong papahiraman ng damit.
Yun ang ilaw nila. Ha? Papakita namin sa'yo si Sophie mamaya. Eme, nag-twerk. Bye guys! Thank you sa pag-join sa surprise live namin.
Goodbye!
Madami kayong dapat abangan. Acer Day, we have Watsons, many more. collaboration soon. We're going places like Cebu. So, see you guys.
Acer Day, August 4 yan. Do not forget to buy your tickets, okay?
Bye guys!
Iiyak kasi.
Bilyay